Alright guys, I'm going to try to set this Chupacabra up tubeless. Got my velocity blunt 35 on my Hope hub here. I'm going to try to set it up on. Everything's dry, and I'm going to give it a shot here. It goes on pretty easy, it's not super tough. Let's try to get the other side on here for you. Sorry if I'm not getting everything in the frame here. Tire feels pretty quality. Feels like a good tire. Pretty pliable. It's got a little bit of stiffness to it. Good tire. Let's see. Did this right. Hopefully I can get this on without tools. This is where it gets tough. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you I actually was able to wrangle this thing onto here without tools. Just had to work the bead around on both sides a little bit more. So, got it on there. Let me see if I can air it up with just a pump. Alright guys, here we go. Let's see how this works with just the floor pump. It's gonna go with just the floor pump. Of course, this is all dry and everything too. Maybe if I wet it down, we'll have a little bit more success. Alright guys, got wet, let's try it again. Nope, doesn't look like it's wanting to go with just the floor pump. Maybe mine just doesn't have enough capacity, but probably try to get these beads seated a little bit better. Well guys, I went all out with the floor pump. Pumped as fast as I could, and sure enough, air it up. It's still popping a little bit. So yeah, thumbs up for the Chupacabra. Liking it already that aired up with a floor pump. I heard it was possible, but truthfully I was a little bit skeptical on that one. time to test it out. Thanks for watching.